Hello everyone, in this video I will share with you how to turn an Instagram sound into a ringtone. Watch this video until the end, pay attention to what I click on this iPhone screen. You need to prepare several applications on your iPhone. The applications you need are GarageBand, Instagram, Ringtone Maker. And you need to make sure the screen recorder is already in the control center. If not, first add the screen recorder in the iPhone control center. If you have prepared everything, open the Instagram application first to select the music that you will make your iPhone ringtone later. Please activate the screen recorder on your iPhone, then play the music on Instagram that you have selected, and stop the screen recorder when it's finished. The next step, please open the Ringtone Maker application to cut out unimportant parts. Delete the original file and leave the file you edited. After that, we open the GarageBand application. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell button so you get notifications of the latest videos from this channel.